In this video, we're going to show you how to use a slip to make a deep bevel mount. This technique is an easy way to add extra perceived value to a frame. These slips are from our paper wrap slips and spacers range, which are covered in the same face paper as the popular colours from the Lion mountboard range. First, we'll need to calculate the inside dimension of the slip frame, as you would for a normal window mount. Next, prepare to cut the frame. This slip is 35mm wide, so 35 on the stop beam is lined up with 255mm on the measuring arm. Cut 2 long sides, then reset them also for the 2 short sides. If you order on chop service, we will always cut to the inside dimension. Glue and join the slip frame. Next, measure the aperture of the slip frame, allowing for a gap of up to 10mm between the deep bevel and the window mount. Here, we're allowing for a 5mm gap. When you've cut the window mount, align the slip frame and bond in place using double-sided tape. Cut strips of foam centre board to pack out the back of the mount and fix in place with double-sided tape. Finally, hinge or mount the artwork as normal and assemble the frame. A deep bevel can match the mount or provide contrast. Or try using a black core mount. Visit lionpick.co.uk to order paper wrap slip and spacer samples as well as Lion mountboard.